If, as the president of frustrated youths of this country, now me be their president, okay? Me, myself, I did frustrated. Because my life...
You are president and of
frustrated Nigerians. Youth. Yeah.
I am their father.
Yeah. No, you're right. You're right. You're right. My question is this. If you were asked, say somebody from street, we no see, you don't try everything, no job, nothing, no hope. I mean, the environment is so toxic. I don't know what can grow in a toxic environment. If you were asked to advise that young Nigeria, Baba, what would you say to that person to give them hope? Because we are battling, we have a serious battle in our hands. Some people have lost hope.
So that we are poor and frustrated is not the fault of God. It's the choice of our leaders. And if you are going to change that, change our situation, you have to change leadership. Pure and simple.
Yes.
And there's nobody who will do it other than the youth. Meaning that you have a baby, your own baby, with a very robust waist, and you don't take bead and put in on the waist of another somebody else's baby. And I say to people that my own baby is Nigeria. That's the one that has robust waist. And that's the one I want to put beautiful bead on. Not any individual who I know that they will not achieve whatever they promise they will want to achieve. So how do you do that? Or in the north, they will say namu namuni.
Yeah.
Tiwantiwa. I don't know what they say in your part.
Baba say it. Nka bunkanye.
Nka bunkanye. Now that is not the issue. The issue is Nigeria.